Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Happy Monday. The month is almost over and I wanted to kind of like end it with a bang. So today we are going to be testing out some brand new makeup from e.l.f. I wanted to dedicate today's video to e.l.f. especially because they just released some new products, but I'm just going to incorporate everything e.l.f. We have their new contour and bronzer camo little products as well as their brand new fine as Fleck glitter eyeshadows. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really love the way my makeup turned out. It is only 10 o'clock in the morning but Mama is looking a little glam for 10 in the morning. That's all right. I am gonna go have lunch with a friend. Also, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's video. I'm actually going to start off with a little bit of skincare today because this is a product that I have repurchased for the second time because it is that good. The e.l.f. Holy Hydration Gelia Moisturizer. It's amazing if you have oily skin. I mainly focus it in the T-zone, and then on the rest of my skin I go in with something a little more hydrating, again because my T-zone is oily. But this is really nice for my brows. The brow laminating gel is actually really good. I literally have a love-hate relationship with this specific product. It doesn't necessarily like stay on my brows all day. I think I just have really brows. But what I have noticed is that if I go in with this product and I set my brows with a light powder, that definitely helps, but it's not my favorite. I have other products like the Ardell Brow Gel Glue. This is amazing. Like, this will not go anywhere. So just wanted to mention that. I'm going in with my Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Even though I said I have oily skin, this does make me a little dewy, but I'm gonna avoid the T-zone and I'm just going to keep this out here because this stuff does make me like, I mean, look at how much hydration it adds, and my skin is pretty moisturized as it is. I'm gonna let this dry down and I'm gonna use my little fan to just help me accelerate the process. Let's jump right into the foundation. So of course we're going to be using e.l.f.'s newest launch, which is the Soft Glam Foundation. I'm gonna mix both of my foundations. I have, let's see, medium neutral, 31 medium neutral, and 32 medium neutral. I'm almost leaning towards this one. What do you guys think? I'm using one of the e.l.f. brushes. This is the cream and powder face brush. It just like melts into the skin, and for me, I don't have a lot of discoloration at the moment, but look at how it covers up the redness. Okay. Boom. And again, it's not heavy, it's not greasy. Definitely a great foundation for the fall because it adds a little bit of like luminosity without being too much. I'm not going to use any e.l.f. concealers today because honestly, I bought one not too long ago and I bought the wrong color. It is literally the color of mustard on me. So I just used my own concealer, but I will be trying out the new Camo Liquid bronzers and contours. Oh my gosh, I was so excited when I saw these because I love, that's the trash. They do retail for $7. They have different shade ranges from fair, fair light, light medium, medium tan, deep, deep rich. So I picked up 2, 4 light medium and 5 medium. These are supposed to be a high pigment liquid bronzer and contour hybrid for creating a long-lasting, sun-kissed, and sculpted look with a natural finish. I am going to do a little swatchy swatch just so we can get an idea. I'm pretty sure number 4 is meant to be a little more cool toned. leaning a little more cool tone, which is nice. And then 5 is going to be a little more golden, a little warmer, which is exactly what I wanted. So here we have 4, and then here we have 5. As you can see, these are extremely pigmented. Going with the contour shade, and I'm going to take just a little bit just so we can test out how pigmented these are. And I'm going to blend that out. Ooh, that is so nice. Okay. I really like that. That blended super effortlessly. And it really just like, look at that. Like the color is actually really nice. I thought it was going to be a little too cool, but that is the perfect shade. Let's go in with number 5, which is more of the bronzy color. And we're going to add about that much. Oh, I love this. Yep. This is definitely my new go-to bronzer. Oh, wow. I mean, did we expect any less from e.l.f? Really? Did we? Because I didn't. Ma'am, I did not. Oh my gosh, that is the perfect color. It just looks like I went out and got a nice little, you know, a little suntan, but without actually going out because I'm a homebody. For my blushes, I'm going to mix 2, Peach Perfect and Dusty Rose. They're both really pretty. They're soft. They're feminine. They're not too overpowering. And they're just like the perfect everyday blush when you mix them together, okay? Because it kind of tones down the color of the mauve, like the mauve color, and it just creates like, These are so stunning. I literally own almost every single color in the e.l.f. blush collection because they're literally my favorite. They're so pretty. They blend out really easily, and I don't know, just the formula is really nice. I really hope that they release like new powders and new concealers. The concealers are just not my favorite, and their powders, I don't like them. They emphasize my texture so much, so I stay far away from them. And then for the bronzer, I'm going to set it with this Primer Infused Matte Bronzer in Catching Rays. These are actually my favorite line from e.l.f. when it comes to these like bronzers, just because they are really nice and pigmented, and they are infused with primer, so it really just helps for them to stay on all freaking day. I'm going to just set the areas where I applied the bronzer, so here, and then a little bit more here, and then more here. And I'm going to blend that down. And then for my blush, I'm going to set it with the Always Rosy blush. This is also from their Primer Infused collection. This one is a really nice, again, everyday Dusty Rose. That's literally the perfect name for them. And I'm just going to set that. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. These are so pigmented and velvety. I'm going to add a little here. Perfect. I set my skin because, again, e.l.f.'s powders are just not it for me. I don't specifically have a highlighter for them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Halo Glow liquid filter, which technically, I mean, you can use it however you like, honestly. But I really like to use these as like a specific like glow from within highlight, because it just really does look like that, like a glow from within, without being too sparkly, too highlighty, if that makes sense. I'm going to hit the skin with a little bit of the setting mist just because my skin is feeling extremely matte because I literally powdered my entire skin. So I need a little life back. I love how this smells. Last but not least are the brand new e.l.f. Fine as Fleck Glitter Eyeshadows. These are perfect for the upcoming holidays, you guys. I picked up two shades, the ones that I figured I would use the most. If I like them, which I have a feeling I am, I may pick up more and start creating holiday content. So I picked up the shade White Hot and Champagne Showers. So these are going to retail for $6 a piece. These are a sheer white sparkly eyeshadow topper packed with microfine glitter flecks that can be worn alone or layered over eyeshadow for long lasting sparkle. As far as I know, I don't think e.l.f. has released any new eyeshadow palettes in a while, and if they have, let me know, because honestly I haven't bought an eyeshadow palette from them in quite some time. So I'm just going to use this one. It's probably one of my favorites. You know what? I'm actually going to use my bronzer as my transitional shade. And then I'm actually going to go back to the blush, and I'm going to use this on my crease as well. I thought I was going to feel that palette, but I'm definitely not feeling it. But hey, this is the beauty of makeup, that you can literally use whatever you have at hand and make it work, okay? So since I'm going for a soft glam, I'm not necessarily like worried about what colors I'm using. I just literally want to throw something on my eyes and use those little glitter shadows, because those are the ultimate test review for today. I am using the shade Browning, which is a very dark brown, and I'm going to create a little like wing. Now for the glitter eyeshadow, because I don't want this to be like extremely poppin', I am going to just tap it in with my fingers, no glitter glue. Let's swatch the shade White Hot. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that is so stunning. It is so reflective. This is called Champagne Showers. This is going to be a little warmer tone. Oh yeah. It's the one at the top. That's so pretty. I'm actually going to use a brush like this, because literally I just want this to be a little reflect moment on my eyes. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so that's very soft. I'm going to use my finger to see if we can get it to show up a little more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so if you want just a wash of like glitter all over the lid, I would go with a fluffy brush and literally just like sweep it across your eye, and that's going to give you the most sheer application. If you want a little more intensity, use your finger, and if you really want the glitter to pop, use glitter glue. I don't want that for today, but it's definitely possible. And look at that. I'm going to see if I can use my phone to show you how beautiful these are. It's hard to tell, but they're really, really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup. So do this eye, put on some lashes, and then we can apply our lippy, and I can give you my final thoughts on like the new products and all that stuff. So stay tuned. Let's finish it off with the lips. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, I posted this reels and you guys seem to love my lip combos, which is why I continue to do them. So I'm going to share with you one of my favorite e.l.f. lip combos, starting off with the lip liner. I believe this is in the shade like espresso or something like that. It's the darkest brown lip liner, excuse me. I'm gonna go in with this shade. I forget the names and they don't have them on the actual lip product, but I'm essentially using that to kind of like help blend that darker color. I think this one's called Spill the Tea. And then I'm gonna go in with the Pout Cloud lip plumping pins. They're also pretty. Honestly, like I feel like e.l.f. has definitely stepped up their game when it comes to their lippies, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this color. What are my final thoughts on brand new products from e.l.f.? I'm only going to obviously review the two products that we tested out today, because everything else I've done a video on and I absolutely love them. But if you guys are wanting to try the new Camo contour and bronzers, honestly, they're amazing. They're very affordable, which is what's so great about e.l.f. Like they just keep elevating and elevating, but the product doesn't lose the quality. Does that make sense? So these are a win in my book. I love them. You have to try them out. Okay, you don't have to try them out, but if you're wanting to and if you have the money to spend, then definitely get them. But if you don't have extra money to spend on these, please don't buy them. Like it's not necessary. And of course, their new glitter shadows, Finest Fleck Glitter Shadows. Oh my gosh, I cannot stop staring at my eyes. These are the perfect holiday little eyeshadows for such an affordable price. I'm definitely going to order me some more, or maybe I'll just wait for them to come into like Ulta or drugstores so I can get my hands on them. But what do you guys think? Is there anything that you are like, I'm adding to my cart? Because honestly, these two are worth your money. But again, don't feel like you have to. That is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I love you. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.